Hi there, yes, it's me, the Chief Elf. I just blew in from the North Pole, literally. Wasn't that quite a wind? However, we're still here. And the elves have been working feverishly all week to restock, so no worries about an empty store. And we got some new shipments, so I wanted to tell you because some people were really disappointed that we ran out of these silver runners. So we have a good stock of them now. They're $32 and they're gorgeous, and they work with all kinds of other seasons as well as Christmas. So there you go for that. We have new centerpieces which look beautiful on top, battery candle for safety. This one brings in the reds and it's lit. Most things are lit. And here is another new runner that we got. It's gray with weaving on it, and it's a nice one for any season of the year. We got a new shipment of gnomes. Aren't they the cutest things? And we decorated them up, and look at that little stool, so cute. Many of you were complaining the elves weren't here. Well, they arrived finally. Here they are. This guy, the Santa one. There's other silver ones in the shops. There are some on sleighs. So there's lots of elves to choose from if you've been pining for an elf. If you're looking for hostess gifts, we've got a new shipment of cookies. Beautiful shortbread, beautiful for eating, having your own little parties or for a stocking stuffer. Maple syrup, we just got a new shipment, and we will have tomorrow morning bourbon maple syrup. Can you hardly stand it? Perfect for a man's gift and so tasty. And don't forget Innis from Ireland, the beautiful soaps, hand creams, bath oil, body lotion, gorgeous. So there you have it. Oh, and there's welcome signs. One side says welcome, the other side says believe or Merry Christmas. What have I forgotten? Well, I don't think I've forgotten much. But come and see us. We're here. Come and visit us. We're happy to see you. You don't have to buy anything. Just come and visit us. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Oh yes, and that guy in the mirror, that's Kim, my videographer. Isn't he doing a great job? All right, try not to laugh too hard at this video, and we hope to see you soon. We're open till Christmas Eve. Take care. Love to all.
Keep smiling.
Bye.